Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading po ito for Virgo Twin Flames, dealing with their twin flames. Ayan. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Normal yon kasi hindi po talaga ito personal reading. General reading lang po. So, kung makaka-relate ka, makaka-resonate ka, ayan, pwede rin namang hindi 100%. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-relate or magre-resonate sa'yo. So, ang unang kukunin nating number is, ang unang kukunin nating energy ay sa'yo, and then followed by your twin flame, tapos, pwede magkapalit-palit doon. Pwedeng main energy mo or ng twin flame mo yung nakuha natin or vice versa. Okay, wait lang ha. Kukunin ko lang yung card na gagamitin ko. Ayan. So, ito yung Yin Yang Oracle. By the way, meron akong TikTok. Paki-follow naman ako doon, guys. Unicorn Princess Tarot. Doon sa akin TikTok shop, makaka-avail ka ng mga pamaswerte, ayan, pang protection, yan. Ito po yung mga example ng mga gawa namin. So, this is the Yin and Yang Oracle. Kunin muna natin yung main energy mo. For Virgo, dealing with their twin flames. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. You do have your present at the bottom of the deck. Ito sa'yo to, energy mo tong una kong kinuha, pero pwedeng ito yung person mo, ha? You do have your hot, ayan, and attraction, and nandito yung Mars, which is very hot energy, hot planet, ayan. And meron tayo ditong guilt and sabotage. Ang energy mo, sa ngayon, you are focusing sa iyong mga present. No? So, mga present, yung mga nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, ito yung focus mo eh. May mga bagay kang gustong matapos muna. No? And I feel like, pagdating sa person na kakonect mo, nandun yung attraction mo sa kanya. And you are guilty about this emotion, which is a lot of passion mula dito sa person na ito. Pwedeng recently lang, itong twin flame mo na ito, pwedeng inisip mo siya, and I can sense itong passionable pag-iisip. No? Pag sinabi natin ganun, may sexual desire, or pwedeng pinagpantasyahan mo siya. Let's say, pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng mga sexual activities, tapos siya yung inisip mo, no? Pwedeng ikaw ay nakipag sex sa iba, pero siya yung nasa isip mo, or ikaw ay may, masturbate, and then itong person nito yung inisip mo. Pwedeng ganun. Anything na may kinalaman sa sexual desires. And you are guilty na kasi gusto mo talaga tong taong to. Yung parang gusto mo ng spiritual connection sa kanya. And pagdating sa pakikipag-ganon, maaring mas nasasatisfied ka pag itong taong ito ang nasa isip mo rather than kung sino yung nasa harap mo ngayon. Okay? So, pagdating sa person mo, sino tong person na kaharap mo? And you're guilty. Part of you is, lalo na kung yung kapartner mo doon sa sex is maybe your husband or your wife or may relationship sa inyo, guilty ka eh. Parang ayaw mo yung feeling na ginagawa mo yun kasi alam mong mali. Pero ginagawa mo pa rin because, you want this satisfaction na pwedeng sa material world or sa material person, kung sino yung kaharap mo, hindi mo nakukuha sa kanya. Okay? And tell me more. Yung iba sa inyo, pinigilan din naman nung una eh. Pinigilan na wag isipin. Kumbaga, wag siya, hindi ko siya pwedeng isipin. While doing that. Kaya lang hindi maiwasan eh. Parang iba pa rin pag siya yung iniisip mo. So, sino yung person na kakonect mo? You do have here rejection and unity. Bottom of the deck is chemistry, ayan, passion. Kunin ko yung situation sa inyo ngayon ha, bago ako mag-proceed dito sa person mo. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Situation. We do have here, ayan no, at the bottom of the deck is the desire, lust, and sexual chemistry. By the way, ngayon ko lang napansin medyo madumi pala yung aking mga kuko. Never mind. Ito ay may kinalaman doon sa mga artwork na ginagawa ko. Ayan, yung mga yan. Medyo madumi siya sa kamay kasi, it's art. So, pagpasensyahan mo na lang. Yan, gumagawa ko ng mga evil eyes. And yeah, if you want to avail, doon na lang sa TikTok shop ko. Siningit ko lang kasi baka naiilang kang panoorin eh. Anyway, you do have your come together. And, yan. Meron talagang soul connection and twin flame connection sa inyo. And alam naman natin yan na this is your twin flame. And both of you wants to have a reconciliation. Ayan, pareho kayo ngayon na gusto niyo ng reconciliation. Ngayon, alam mo, nang nakakatuwa dito, hindi lang ikaw ang ganon. Nakakala mo ikaw lang nag-iisip sa kanya ng ganon, ng sexually, pero siya rin pala, ganon din ang ginagawa sa'yo, especially with the desires here. So, there's a lot of lust, a lot of imagination sa isa't isa ang ginagawa ninyo because mas na, it feels like yung relationship ninyo, yung connection ninyo is more on spiritual, no? And, this person pwedeng minsan mo na siyang ni-reject or ngayon is nakakaramdam pa siya ng rejection mula sa'yo. Nararamdaman niya na parang wala ka na, parang gano'n na parang wala kang pakialam. Pero sa ngayon, it doesn't matter para sa person mo. Parang nakikita natin, okay, may kulang. Pero, itong person na to is continuous pa rin yung paghahangad niya ng union sa inyo na although hindi siya naniniwala eh. Hindi siya naniniwala. The last time na maaaring binanggit mo sa kanya yung tungkol sa emotions mo and kung ano man ang nangyayari sa'yo or what, na wala kang pakialam, etc. Pwedeng binanggit mo yon or pwedeng sinabi mo sa kanya na hindi mo siya gusto, hindi mo siya mahal. Hindi siya naniniwala. Hindi siya naniniwala because this person can feel your soul. So kahit sabihin mo magsinungaling ka, alam niya kung ano totoo. Okay? So, especially if you're dealing with a very spiritual person. Wait lang guys, ito naman ang gagamitin kong card. What is your emotion towards this person? Emotions towards your person. Anong emosyon mo dito sa person na ito? You do have here the Page of Swords and the Three of Swords. Oh, clarify the Page of Swords and the Three of Swords. Five of Wands is here. Ace of Cups. Yeah, the One of Cups. Of course, the Ace of Cups. Kung matagal ka na nanonood ng tarot reading, you know what this means. And also with the Three of Swords, no? Ten of Cups is here. So, I feel like maybe there's family na involved dito sa connection ninyo. Or, I don't know, maybe, nakikita mo, kung merong family or yung person mo is pamilyado, pwedeng ganun eh. You see yung kanyang family or yung kanyang, kahit hindi pamilyado na, you know, maybe yung pinaka-pamilya mismo, you see their family as a very colorful family, no? Kumbaga, may happiness, may love, ganun. And, ito pa yung isa na sa nakakapagpasakit sa'yo eh. You're watching this person or pati yung family niya. You're watching them. And masakit para sa'yo kasi maybe you feel like hindi mo kaya makipagkompetensya sa pamilya niya. Okay? And with the Ace of Cups, you do love this person. Mahal mo siya. Alam mong, maybe alam mong mahal ka rin niya, but yun nga, there's competition na medyo mahirap para sa'yo. Okay? And I can see, yeah, maybe you're watching this person through social media, ganon. Ano namang emotions niya patungkol sa'yo? Anong emotions niya patungkol sa'yo? Three of Cups. Oh, this person sees you or pinahalagahan niya ngayon is yung friendship ninyo kung ano meron sa inyo. Okay, Temperance, Page of Wands, and the Seven of Swords. So, sinabi ko naman sa'yo, pwedeng na-reject mo siya in the past. So, pwedeng with the Page of Wands, nasabi niya na yun, parang like maybe through call or pwedeng inamin niya na or sinabi niya sa'yo kung anong emotions niya in the past. There's this Temperance na alam mo yun, parang kahit against sa will or kahit alam niyang mali, pinush niya, no? Maybe kung hindi man ngayon, in the past. And it is because with the Seven of Swords, there's this feeling na ayaw niya na kasi na lagi kang iniisip or lagi niyang iniisip na paano kung, alam mo yun, parang I feel like itong person na ito, kaya niya sinabi sa'yo, kasi ayaw niya ng isipin yung paano kung hindi ko sinabi, paano kaya kung sinabi ko yung ganito, paano kaya kung ganito sinabi, ayaw niya na ng ganun. So this person is being honest, and I feel like sa ngayon, kung hindi man maibalik sa kanya yung love, is nandito pa rin naman itong person na to, maybe as a friend. And yeah, and you do have here the Two of Cups. So this person, ayaw niya na ng soulmate connection or ng twin flame connection. Ayaw niya na ng ganun. Kasi alam naman niya sa sarili niya that you are his or her perfect match. Okay? So, I can see, yeah, the Knight of Cups. I feel like this person is willing to offer you and love you for who you are. Kung ano man yung mga negative traits mo, kung ano man yung mga negative sa'yo, this person is willing to accept and love that for who you are. Etong person na to is open, ino-open niya ang sarili niya, ang family niya with you. And this person has a lot of plans. Alam mo, you're dealing with a person maybe who is a risk taker. Masyado siyang patalos-talos kahit hindi niya sure kung anong kakalabasan, basta itutuloy niya, ipupush niya. No? And what will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future, oh wow, you do have your reunion and luck. There's this toxicity and action. Yan. And you do have here guarded. And at the bottom of the deck, there's this guarded or vulnerability. Wait lang. Kukuha din ako ng card dito sa deck na ito. Tell me about the situation in the near future. You do have here obsession and gossip. Love affair. I want to clarify itong luck. Oh, wait, may isa pang card. There's this crickets, silence or non-action. And what's with the luck? What's with the luck here? Legal is at the bottom of the deck. And you do have your wish. Okay, in the near future, this is you hoping and wishing na sana magkaroon ng reconciliation or reunion sa inyong dalawa. But you're not so sure, especially meron tayo nakikita ditong mga legal issues, okay? And this person, nakikita natin nandun pa rin yung chaser kind of energy. So you're dealing with a chaser. This person is going to chase you. Kaya lang ang problem is that there's this silence or medyo hindi magkakaroon ng magandang connection sa inyo. Kasi although willing naman na mag-take ng action itong person ito, sabi ko nga sa'yo, siya yung malakas ang loob. But there's this paulit-ulit na pangyayari because there's this third party situation where I can see jealousy. So, maaaring kasi may magselos, kaya ayaw mong makipag-connect or makipag-communicate. And nandun yung parang gustuhin mo man, pero parang hindi pwede kasi ayaw mo namang may masaktan or ayaw mo namang makasakit, pwedeng ganun. And the obsession is here, so continuous pa rin yung pag-iisipan and obsession nyo sa isa't isa. But it will be hard na ilagay sa material itong connection ninyo because you are guarded here, no? Especially if there are childrens na involved dito with the seed and spring, ayan. But yeah, So, yun yung nakikita natin. Medyo magiging mahirap pa yung connection. And I feel like nanggagaling sa'yo yon. Kaya nagiging mahirap. Kasi nakakita naman tayo ng actions and this person is willing to take the necessary actions para magkaroon ng new beginning sa inyo. Kaya lang ikaw ito na kasi hindi niya na rin gusto yung situation niya. Parang there's a lot of toxic energy dun sa sitwasyon niya. And might be gusto naman niya na maging masaya. Okay? And ano yung advice for you? You have your divine feminine at the bottom of the deck. That is you. And yeah, divine feminine. You are the divine feminine. And then yung person mo is the divine masculine. See? And you do have here twin flame. You are twin flame. Of course, this is a twin flame reading. You do have your lockdown. And let me clarify itong lockdown. By the way, this is I just saw an additional message. Which is the alien. Ayan, additional message. Clarify the lockdown, please. Racing. Ayan, anxiety, scared, panic. Racing is here. Yung iba kasi, you might feel like hindi pwede kasi mali, kasi bawal. And you might feel like itong twin flame connection na ito is imposible. Ayaw mong, lalo na if you're dealing with a married person, no? With a married person, you are scared, no? But you do have here the receipt, no? So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya magiging mahirap kung yung person mo mismo ang magpapakita sa'yo na posible. I mean, huwag ka matakot. Yeah, you do have your threatened. Huwag ka matakot. Kung yung person mo, ito yung pinaka-advice. Huwag ka matakot kung yung person mo mismo ang nagpapakita or nagsasabi kung anong dapat gawin, na posible ito, na lalo na siya naman talaga yung nagtitake ng risk. Kung hindi siya nagtitake ng risk, kung wala siyang sinasabi, kung siya yung tahimik or silent dito sa connection, just let this person, hayaan mo muna siya. Kailangan pa niya ng time. Pero kung siya yung nagtitake ng risk, and the way I see this, is pwedeng ikaw yung umiiwas, wag mong nakikita natin pinapahirapan mo yung sarili mo yung utak mo. So, kung pahirapan yung sarili mo, kumbaga, let it flow na lang, no? Kung saan ka dalhin. You have your alien, so, especially, you do have this telepathic dreams, and connection, and pwedeng nakaka-relate ka sa mga songs na naririnig mo towards this person. Tell me more. Yeah, you do have your interlude. So, kaabang-abang yung mga pwedeng mangyari pa sa inyo. Kaya, mas masaya, no, kung i-open mo yung spiritual journey mo with this person. Okay? And nakikita natin na maaaring magkaroon ng growth sa iyo or sa inyo, spiritual growth. And at the same time, wag mong lokohin yung sarili mo. Alam mo ko talaga kung anong gusto mong mangyari sa inyo. Okay? Natatakot ka lang. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.